Hi, I'm Eleanor. Today's video lesson is about the family. Being able to talk about your family in English can help you when you communicate with other people. So let's find out more. Let's look at the names of different family members. In my family, there are 5 people. They are my father, Robert, my mother, Sarah, my brother, Kevin, and my sister, Mary, and me. Let's look at the family tree and see how everyone is related. My father, Robert, and my mother, Sarah, are married. Sarah is my father's wife. Robert is my mother's husband. They have 3 children. My father and mother, or mum and dad for short, are our parents. My parents have 1 son, Kevin, and 2 daughters, Eleanor and Mary. Kevin is my brother. Mary is my sister. This is our family. Let's look at my extended family too. In my extended family, there are my grandparents. There are 2 grandparents. They are Joe and Carla. My grandfather, Joe, and my grandmother, Carla, are my father's parents. I also have an uncle, Jack, and an aunt, Claire. Uncle Jack is my dad's brother. Aunt Claire is my dad's sister. Aunt Claire is married to Ryan and they have 2 children, Tom and Lara. Tom and Lara are my cousins. That's my extended family. Now you know the names of the different people in a family in English. Try make your own family tree. Today we learnt the names of different family members, the relationship between different family members, and the names of different family members in an extended family. Thank you for watching. I'll see you later. Bye.